Alright. Turn up your volume. My microphone's quiet. My mic's quiet. But, yeah. Without further ado, let's go. So, I don't know why this is open. Don't say there's nothing there. Okay. So, you're gonna need to do a couple things in order to do this. Well, one, you're gonna need a Linux machine, some Wi-Fi, common sense, and you're good. Nice. I'm not gonna be doing like a full explanation down to the bare bones because it's not that hard. Oh crap, my burp did not come up. It's not going to come up anyways. Okay, so this is how you use it. And you're done. Now, Nikto will test all vulnerabilities on the site you just gave. And you're done. And then once you figure out what site has that vulnerability, learn how to exploit that vulnerability by simply searching up on Google. Google will always tell you. That's how I learned web exploitation. A future video, I don't know which one I'll do, but I'll probably do like an injection video maybe. Maybe how to use another tool. But yeah, tutorial's already done. But if you guys want further notice on my channel, I'm just going to be making very fast-paced tutorials, giving you guys what you want. Maybe sometimes I'll do full explanation. I'll definitely be doing a lot of programming tutorials, a lot of web exploitation, a lot of binary exploitation, and how to exploit new vulnerabilities that come out and gain popularity, or how to do certain things. Maybe a UX bypass. You guys don't know what that is. If you guys use Windows, you'll know what the UX is. But if you don't, that's okay. This channel is used, for you to kind of gain more knowledge on these kind of things, kind of get a grip, But yeah, I just don't really care. We're done now. I would say like and subscribe, but you guys can do that later once future videos come out, and then you can choose.